I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select an action Dokan. Connect to the Dokan. Dokan connected successfully. Next. Choose a task. I am choosing to create a new vendor. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use them for your requirements. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Dokan dashboard. Then navigate to the vendor. You can see that the new vendor has been successfully added in Dokan. Thanks for watching.